Don't download Tableau Enterprise Data Analytics app before watching this. Before you download Tableau Enterprise Data Analytics, here's what most businesses misunderstand. It's not just a reporting tool. At the enterprise level, Tableau offers advanced data visualization, analytics dashboards, and interactive reporting. Without strategy, it can overwhelm teams. Step 1. Define your data goals. Decide if your priority is sales insights, marketing performance, or operational analytics. Most people get this wrong by dumping all data sets into one dashboard, creating confusion instead of clarity. Step 2. Clean and organize your data. Use consistent naming, remove duplicates, and structure tables logically. The surprising truth is, unclean data leads to misleading insights and bad decisions. Step 3. Design dashboards for users. Create visualizations tailored to roles like sales, marketing, or leadership. Poorly designed dashboards reduce engagement and adoption. Step 4. Integrate data sources. Tableau is powerful when connected to CRM, ERP, or marketing platforms. Without integration, insights remain incomplete. Step 5. Monitor and iterate. Track dashboard usage, performance, and feedback. Teams that skip this step often underutilize Tableau and miss opportunities to optimize operations. The upside: proper Tableau enterprise use can boost data-driven decision-making, improve operational efficiency by up to 25%, and give executives a clear, real-time view of key metrics. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization defines clear analytics goals, organizes data properly, designs user-focused dashboards, integrates sources, and continuously monitors results. For smaller teams, Tableau Desktop may be enough. Subscribe for actionable strategies to unlock the full power of enterprise analytics.